Exclusive, Dwayne Johnson and Dany Garcia's $7 Productions have become executive producers of the documentary film Stuntman, which will make its world premiere at the Los Angeles Film Festival. They join producers Steven Golebiowski, Braun and Mattila of Driven Pictures. Mattila directed a film that straddles the line between documentary and action film.
Pick focuses on the highs and lows of veteran Hollywood stuntman Braun as he attempts at 55 to replicate the infamous Snake River Canyon rocket jump unsuccessfully attempted in 1974 by his childhood idol, Evel Knievel. Braun also reflects on surviving a multitude of multiple car crashes, explosions and death-defying leaps over a 30-plus year career in film and television. Without any industry backing, Braun pours his life savings into his dream of jumping the Snake River Canyon and enlists the help of Scott Truax, the son of the NASA rocket scientist who built Evel's original steam-powered rocket. Together, the two embark on an emotional journey to clear the Snake River Canyon, redeem the Truax family name and honor the legacy of Evel Knievel. $7 Productions Hiram Garcia and Brian Gewertz are exec producers alongside Johnson and Dany Garcia. "I've been lucky to work with some amazing stunt performers over the course of my career. The entire stunt community is the backbone of our business," said Dwayne Johnson. "Having the opportunity to showcase Eddie's career in this often overlooked line of work is an honor for us." Dany Garcia called Braun's story a powerful experience that exposes the level of passion and fearlessness required by these invaluable stunt actors. "We're excited to partner with the Driven Pictures team. They deeply understand the nuance of storytelling that center on both redemption and surmounting obstacles. We all look forward to sharing such a powerful example of these themes through Eddie's narrative. Nobody creates such compelling and original IP on a global scale like Dwayne Johnson, Dany Garcia, and $7 Productions. We are honored, humbled, and grateful to partner with their creative genius," said producer Steven Golebiowski. Stuntman is a redemption story.
At some point in time, every person in the world is confronted with their own canyon to cross. It's how we deal with our obstacles that define our character. Some people let obstacles stop them, while others figure out a way over them. We are thrilled to get to share this inspirational story with the world, guided by the brilliance and surgical precision of $7. The docu makes its world premiere at the LA Film Festival next Sunday at the ArcLight Culver City. Johnson, Garcia and $7 Productions are repped by WME. Endeavor Content is handling worldwide distribution rights.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.